Good day, I am Angela May Matokdo, your today's reporter. So we come now to the lesson 7 in Contemporary World, which is about market integration. Now we will talk about the lesson 7.1, regional and global market integration. So as we dig into this topic, we have our general objectives. First is to define what is market integration, of course, and to analyze the role of regional and global market integration in shaping economic growth and development. So, before we talk about our lesson, let's first have our pretest to explore our opinions and prior knowledge about our today's topic. So, instruction, read each statement carefully, answer only with agree or disagree. Okay, number 1, market integration refers to the process of connecting economies through trade, investment, and cooperation. So, what is your answer? Do you agree or disagree? Okay, agree. Number 2, regional market integration happens when countries from different continents trade with each other. Do you agree or disagree? Okay, disagree because number 2 is it's not regional market integration but global market integration. It is the global market integration which includes different continents or countries in trading. Okay, number 3, the European Union or EU is an example of regional market integration. So, right, EU is an example of regional market integration. So, we should agree. Number 4, global market integration involves the participation of almost all countries in the world. So, as we already said in the number 2, it is the global market integration that involves all countries. It's worldwide. So, number 4, we should agree. Number 5, the World Trade Organization or the WTO supports global market integration. Do you agree or do you disagree? Okay, agree. Number 6, ASEAN or Association of Southeast Asian Nations is a form of global integration. Alright, it's disagree because ASEAN is a form of regional market integration and not global integration. Okay. Number 7, market integration can lower trade barriers like tariffs and quotas. So, yes, we should agree because market integration really can lower trade barriers and tariffs and quotas. Number 8, only large businesses benefit from market integration. Agree or disagree? So, we should disagree with this one because it's not only the large businesses but also the small businesses can benefit from market integration. Okay, so number 9, the last number, regional and global market integration both aim to promote cooperation and economic growth. So it's very obvious. It's agree. We should agree. Before we proceed to defining market integration, let's first familiarize ourselves with these two words and connect them to market integration. So, we have economics. It is the study of a person's decision making amidst the presence of scarcity. So, meaning, it is the study of money, trade, and choices. So, how does this word connects to market integration? So, economics explains how and why markets connect. That's the connection of economics to market integration, since it explains and includes the connection of markets. So, what do we mean by scarcity? Okay. Scarcity talks about instability of resources. Okay. Again, economics is the study about money, trade, and choices, which includes the decision making of a person. Next, market. It is an economic concept which refers to a place with two or more parties, commonly composed of a buyer and a seller, participating in the actual activity of exchanging goods and services. So, market is the place where people buy and sell things. So, how does market connects to market integration? So, integration happens in markets when they start working together. So, we can say that market is connected to, of course, I mean, from the word itself, market integration. So, to make it happen, we need market, or market it is the place where the integration happens. I hope that makes sense. So now, market integration. It refers to a situation in which the prices of related goods and services sold in a defined geographical location also begin to move in some sort of similar pattern to one another. So, in simple terms, market integration means that goods, services, or money can move more easily between places. And it also means that the prices become more similar across different markets. Through market integration, people and businesses can buy, sell, and trade more easily with others, even in different cities or countries. So, when markets are integrated, the supply of food adjusts spatially to meet demands. Example, price and supplies of soda or soft drinks. So, what do we mean when we say when markets are integrated? So, when markets are being integrated, it means that different markets are starting to connect and work together more closely. So, market integration is about building or building connections among different markets to make it one, or to make different markets into a whole one. So, it simply means bringing parts together to work as a one whole. Now, market integration means that integration is taken to denote a state of affairs or a process involving attempts to combine separate national economies into larger economic regions. That's according to Robson 1998. So, integration means bringing parts together to work as one whole. So, it is already said earlier. Integration is when different things, such as people, systems, groups, or markets became connected and start working together smoothly. Okay. So, according to Robson, market integration refers to a situation or process where separate national economies are combined into larger economic regions. So, think of it like this. Imagine different cities in the Philippines, each with its own economy. Market integration would be like connecting these cities to form a larger or more unified economy, making it easier for goods, services, and people to move around. So this concept or the market integration extends globally, linking countries together economically. It is a central aspect of economic globalization, which refers to the increasing interconnectedness of economies and societies around the world. So, market integration is a key part of economic globalization, which leads to increased interconnectedness of economies and societies worldwide. Okay. Now we proceed to the three basic